In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade gold on MetaTrader 5, Complete Beginner Guide. Gold on MetaTrader 5 is typically labeled XAUUSD, which simply means the price of 1 troy ounce of gold quoted in US dollars. We'll start by finding the symbol, getting it onto your screen, and then placing a trade using two common methods: a fast one-click approach and a more deliberate, safer order ticket. First, open the MarketWatch panel, which is the list of available instruments. On Windows, you can press Ctrl+M to show or hide it. This panel is where you'll find gold. Scroll through the list and look for XAUUSD. Depending on your broker, it might also appear as gold. Once you spot it, add it to a chart so you can see price movement in real time. Right-click the symbol and choose Chart Window. A chart will open and you'll be ready to place trades from here. Now let's open a trade. Option 1, does one-click trading, which is built for speed. Enable one-click trading on the chart so you can place orders instantly. Before you click anything, set your lot size. The lot size controls how big your position is and how much each price movement will impact your profit or loss. With gold, even small moves can add up quickly, so size conservatively, especially as a beginner. When you're confident and ready, click buy if you expect gold to rise, or sell if you expect it to fall. This method is fast and convenient, but remember that one-click orders typically execute immediately at market prices, so make sure your size is correct before you click. Option 2 is the standard order ticket, which gives you more control. Press F9 to open the order window. Here, set your volume, which is your lot size, just like before. Then define a stop loss, which is the price level where the trade will automatically close to limit your risk if the market moves against you. Next, set a take profit, which is the level where your position will automatically close to lock in gains if the market moves in your favor. When everything is set and you're comfortable with your plan, choose buy if you anticipate a rise or sell if you anticipate a drop, and click the corresponding button. That's it. You've found gold, added it to a chart, and learned 2 clear ways to place a trade in MetaTrader 5. Trade thoughtfully, manage your risk, and build consistency as you go.